Picture this. I'm with Jesus and his disciples, sailing across the Sea of Galilee. It's quiet, just the sound of water, until we reach the country of the Gadarenes. The moment Jesus steps ashore, a wild figure appears, a man from the city, tormented for years without clothes, living not in a home but among the tombs. You can see the pain in his eyes, the desperation. When he sees Jesus, he cries out, falls down and shouts, "What have I to do with you, Jesus, Son of God Most High? Please don't torment me." Jesus looks at him gently and asks, "What is your name?" The man replies, "Legion," because so many demons had taken hold of him. Imagine the chaos, the struggle within this one soul. Nearby, a herd of pigs grazes on the hillside. The demons beg Jesus to let them enter the swine, and so Jesus allows it. Instantly, the demons rush out of the man into the pigs, and the whole herd, wild and panicked, stampedes down into the lake and drowns. Those tending the pigs see it all. They run, spreading the news through the city and countryside. When the people return, they find the man, once wild, now calm, sitting at Jesus' feet, clothed and in his right mind. They're afraid. They can't believe the transformation. Witnesses tell the story, how the man was healed, how Jesus changed everything. But fear grips the crowd, and they beg Jesus to leave. So quietly, Jesus gets back on the boat. The man, now free, begs to go with Jesus, but Jesus says, "Go home. Tell everyone how much God has done for you," and he does, sharing his story throughout the city. It's a powerful reminder no one is too lost for Jesus to find. And sometimes the greatest testimony is simply sharing how God has changed your life.